Hi guys, I'm Jinky and I'm a therapist. Do you want to know herbal ball massage organ? Okay, two different kinds of herbal ball massage organ. One is herbal ball relaxing and the other one is herbal ball stimulating. The herbal ball massage organ, the massage is natural method of well-being allowing preservation of the health, and it is also very good for anti-aging solution. If the client asking what inside the ball, for relax, this is have inside like lavender, chamomile, cumin, sea salt, and sweet lemon. Okay, for stimulating, this is have inside like rosemary, oregano, ginger, sea salt, and sweet lemon. Each herbal ball is an oil partner. Example, for relax, I will use this oil. Orange flower. This orange flower oil is pure argan oil, apricot, and jujube. The benefits of this oil is calming insomnia, nervousness, and skincare. And very lovely smell, very good smell to our skin. And for stimulating, I will use this oil, grapefruit. This is also pure argan oil, apricot, and jujube. The benefits of this oil is it will help our fat burning, skin care, and very good smell. Very lovely smell to our skin. Okay. On this massage, we need to puwaha. Like this. And it needs candle. Before the start of the massage, light the candle, put there, put oil on the top, 60 ml, divide into two puwaha, and put the herbal ball massage on the top of the puwaha. And then you can start warm up the client.